See, there's a shed out here, and it's just the right size to take apart that sauna. Now I got to take it all apart, and I've got to stack it in here. But this ceiling, when it rains, it runs out here and drips right down, and then it will go against the wall. And so when I told her, the owner, I says, I'll go ahead and fix this, but I have to get up on the roof and do it with hot tar and some webbing material. Then I can move all this stuff out of here and stack everything up against the wall. Okay, so I got a 6-foot ladder, and I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get up there just yet. This is taller than 6 feet. You know, I'm going to have to get up there. I'll do it. Yeah, see, time is a wasting, because my next step inside the house is to remove a sauna in the guest bedroom, and I can't do that until I patch this roof. So I got to get up there and get my stuff up there. I got a 3-gallon container, and that's what I'm gonna use. That's Henry's Wet Patch Roof Leak Repair. Yeah, you can get that in a 5-gallon container too, but usually 3 gallons is enough, and plus it's not as heavy to carry. So luckily I was able to find this at the hardware store. Whew, glad that's done. How'd you get up here already? Okay, it looks like, glad I brought the broom up here, see? I've got to sweep this stuff up and see where this old mastic line is. Look, right here on that seam, but it's still been leaking through there. So I'm going to do a number on this patch, and I got some webbing tape too. And this is for roofing, professional grade repair fabric. It's 6 inches by 25 feet. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there, and that's gonna kind of help it from cracking out. And it must have cracked out a little bit. See like right there, it's cracked. Not a whole lot, but just enough to let the water seep in there. And I'm sure there's some other spots in there too. So I'm just gonna sweep this a little bit. See what I got under here. Have to get all these rocks out of here. I'm glad there wasn't more rocks up here, because I was afraid I was going to have to do some scraping, you know. But see, I can see where there's some hairline cracks in there, just enough to let the water get in. Okay, so I'm going to keep sweeping this up and get ready to go.